Okay. Do I give this guy the reference to the target? Or does this guy just send me information back that something happened? Makes no sense. I think this needs to be in the ability itself. Because the ability needs to choose if it needs to attack something or help its allies. So do I give the ability the information that it needs? Like the arena and competitors and who is who? Hey, das war's wert. Welcome, welcome. I do have, but it's probably too quiet. How about now? It is finishing though, so it gets quieter right now. So, this guy. I'm fine, how are you? I see. What if it's not one, but more? How would I... This is from Signalis. Man, I just found out that my memory, my RAM, is busted. I hope my programs won't crash. I don't know, when I played some games or went to VRChat and so on, I got blue screens. So I reinstalled Windows and so on, and then after a while it again happened and so on. And now it happens rather a lot. Well, the RAM is actually 5 years old now, so I guess it is time for it to die. But yeah, I made a mem test, and turns out it has faults, so I'm going to replace them. And I'm not sure if it's the RAM the slots of the motherboard, or maybe even the CPU or the CPU management, memory management. Right now I'm pokering. I didn't even make more tests like removing a RAM stick and then do the test again, so on. I'm just pokering that it is the RAM stick. I will put them in, reinstall Windows again with all the drivers, whatever, and run afterwards or before a mem test and find out if the issue is gone. Dude, that joke, that wait, can I find? Ah, I found it. Perfect. Can I show it though? Wait. And here. This is me right now. No, it's another GIF. No, it wasn't. What are you talking about? Es fängt mit A an und hört mit O auf. I don't think that I'm doing anyone a service by reading that joke. But here goes nothing. Das war's wert wrote. Oh, I know what happened. You are not supposed to ram them in. That's a frequent fault of the user. Thank you, das war's wert. I'm always right. It's rule number 5. I didn't use it much, but I'm pretty sure it will do its job. What the fuck? Ability action struct? No. Ability type, there we go. Hmm. Am I using it anywhere? Holy shit, what? Test ability. Test ability. It's an abstract ability. And where do I put it in? The small... This one? Man, how do I use this? I forgot. Maybe I'm not using it at all. Am I tripping? Bye bye. Actually, I'm not. Test ability data, test ability data. What is that kind of a chain of reference? Wait, what does even this mean, this red line? I never saw that before. Ability data asset template is this. The test data uses it. It uses also the test ability. What? Ow. Makes no sense. I'm trying to find out if I'm using the test ability data anywhere already, so I can copy what I have done, and if I'm not referencing it anywhere, I want to implement it. Not right now. I'm really confused what's going on here. I do have this ability asset. So I need to be calling it somewhere, probably here. Fire ability asset. Ah, okay, wait. They are cross-referencing. I made a mistake here too. This is the... Wait. Ability data assets. Ability data assets. So it is actually correct. Then how the fuck? Ability data... Ah! I'm calling it from here. Now I understand. Okay, okay. Never mind then. Do I just return the whole thing and put it in here so the information of the ability is inside? I don't have mantras. Do you have mantras? Rule? Decide stuff? Do you have one? I normally don't have something like that. I'm driven by my experience, and I don't like make every move I have in a concrete thing. And that's what you do, not me. I rather have routines, but not like mantras. Yeah, the thing is, motivational quotes, they sound intelligent and smart, but you can always turn them into something else. They're actually rather stupid. I hate people who are going and then saying, there was this wise man who said that, and then you can, in a week, turn it around and be the counter argument. It's very, very paradox. And I have this from another wise man whose name I forgot. Let me find it. I probably cannot say his name. Slavoj Zizek? Do you know that guy? He has a lisp and so on, and he always talks about capitalism and socialism. Mantra. He's like against that thought, but it's not mantra per se. It's like wise words or wise sentences. What is that thing again? My English dude. Can I find it? I don't know. Probably this, I don't know. I would need to see it myself, but probably it's this one. Do I need this? Why do I have this as a local? Maybe to put it in here somewhere. Ability data asset. Ability data asset. Alright. So we can get rid of this. Wait, are we using this? Are you fucking kidding me? There we go. Then promote. Perfect. Kinda. There we go. Okay, now I should have everything that I need in the ability to actually do stuff and decide stuff. Now the question is, nah, that's okay. I don't know. That's for people who care about that. For me, I don't mind if it's a sport or not. In the end, it's just labeling for marketing, man. It really doesn't matter. Chess is chess. Why would you need to call it a sport? Even if it is a sport, why do you want to call it a sport? I mean, if you define it as something that has a competition and so on, then you can call many things a sport. It really doesn't matter. It's a definition for yourself. Yeah, like I said, like you're saying here, and then you want to make that thing more popular. It's just a marketing thing. That's all, man. So, do ability. How would I do this? This needs to be implemented from the specific ability itself. Can I do anything here already? I wonder. No, I don't care. I find it a little, how to say, morbid is the wrong word. But for the sake of making it more popular, it kind of feels wrong. Either it is a sport or it isn't. I will not decide that. Someone makes a definition, people agree on it, and it's that. Chess is chess for me. If it's sport or not, I don't care. I can also not decide that. And why is it even something that matters for you? I mean, there are more people agreeing that it is a sport than they don't. For whom then? Is that so? Can it be that the music is too loud right now? What the hell? I turned it down a little lower anyway. Tell me when if it's too quiet. How do I start this? I mean, maybe I should just create some abilities and then see where the problems lie. Let's see. Ability assets, maybe? I don't know. And then make... This is fire. And then let's call this, I don't know. Ability. Oh, we already have a test ability. That's funny. I need to delete that. Fire. Ah, come on, autosave. Fire tests. These questions are very, very odd, dude. I never planned to have a tattoo. How can I answer you that? The problem is, I mean, I'm not getting a tattoo because for its permanency, you know? I'm someone that changes his tastes over the time. And if I get a tattoo, then I probably won't like it in 5 years. No, I understand. But these questions are rather hard to answer. Don't get me wrong, you can ask these, but I'm not sure if my answers are satisfying. How would I choose that? I don't like Pokemon. Sorry guys, I don't like Pokemon. Please don't kill me. Okay, it is changing. Can you tattoo a morphing tattoo that always changes its shape? Can I just delete this? Or do I kill anything? Test ability data. What is this? This thing. Yeah. Save. Can I delete this? No. Please. Okay, I'm just clicking on it and then I press delete. Why is it always thinking that I did right click? Did I really press right click? Oh my god. Well, that is true, but I don't think it changes the shape of Ditto in a way that will represent my interests. What is this? Oh, this was that thing I remember. You and your words, man. You get one off when you have these words in your head. Are you? Are you? Are you sorry? You could also talk about yourself, man. Doesn't matter. We don't have like a big audience that wants to hear about the answers of my head. Oh, whoops. I think I broke many things right now. Oh, damn. An action figure? I'm missing a figure for Odin Sphere, which is Cornelius. The only character I'm missing, and they have it never created a figure like that. I don't know, I'm just trying to answer them without hurting your feelings. I think there is no answer to that question. Yes, I think this is my how to say, my characteristic. This is how I am. Fucking hell, where's the internal that? Where do they save that? Oh my god. Abstract ability. Value. Arm. What? I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. What the fuck is this? Like, I forgot everything from my code. Battle group. Oh god, do I have to go to the map? Where do I find this? There we fucking go. Finally. Wait. Apps, ability data, fire test. Yeah, okay, fine. Safe. There we go. Now that's repaired. Hopefully. So we would need to come here. Then we have to determine via ability. What was it again? Oh my god. Get ability data asset. Get type. Switch. I mean, I do know what type it is here already. Why would I do this? I would have to implement it in here. But let's start anyway, and then let's refactor it into shape. Stance, magic. And this isn't even telling us what the target is. Just a charge up. How would I tell it here? What? How did that happen? Ability target type. Single. Small people. I see. He really fell into the nerd stuff, didn't he? Or was always there? I don't know. I see. I heard he wanted to play Magic the Gathering with Sandro. I had to think for a moment. Not Sebastian, no. I said Sandro. No. You have to listen, my friend. I'm talking about Pidizzle, who is nerding out. Single, multiple. Do I also add in here if it's targeted self or? I never played any of those. I cannot relate. I think that's not that hard. Damn. This is another question where I think I cannot answer. Although I looked into it when I tried to design stuff in this game, but I forgot the things. I believe I didn't find the answers I was looking for. Dude, I don't even remember what these things were. God damn it. How am I supposed to implement this? Holy shit, would the ability need to know this? Oh no, I think charge up things need to happen here. And I would need to know what kind of list I'm working on right now. Ah, shit. I cannot just do this. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh. I need three. Now you will be happy I will use that word, but for something else. I would need 4 different or 2 different phases to cast abilities. One phase being anything that is single and doing magic casts, etc. And the other one would be when the Orblings are together jumping up, going to the enemy. I need to solve that here. I am rather anchored here. I'm trying to implement something that is one-to-one how I see it in the other game where I have the inspiration from. Question is, should I go with that or do my own thing? Why did they choose to do that? Let me explain. In the game, normally there are always 3 or less. Not normally, there are always 3 or less monsters whose turn it is right now. Those monsters can do multiple things, but per round only one thing can be fired if they are trained on that. For instance, this is the fire formation right now, let's say, and there are Orblings on top of here. I'm just doing some stick figures, but you get the picture. And they have each a fire fire, skill, ability, whatever. This one has a magic which casts an explosion. And these two guys have a punch. Or was it a punch? I don't care. I mean, doesn't matter. A physical attack. Now, when the round begins, everything that is not a physical attack, where the monster has to go to the other team to attack them, they do an effect. And they do it one by one. First there's this effect. Then there's this attack where you see the camera go to the other thing, to the other team, and then something happens. And then it goes to the next Orpling, which does the effect, if there is another magical one. I am doing right now, as you can see. And then there is this attack. And if there is a third one which has a magic, that Orpling does the magic charge thing. And then it goes to attack. If you have like punches, all three of them, if all three of them have punch, they all jump up and then land one by one, single, do attack, land, do attack, land, do attack. You see, the charge thing of the magical one is it charges, do attack, the next one charges, it attacks, the next one charges, it attacks. But if they are physical, they all at the same time jump up, land one by one, do attack, jump up again. Land, do attack, jump up again. Land, do attack, jump up again. If we have only two magic users and one punch, then first the magic ones would go. This casts the magic, this casts the magic, this jumps up, lands at the enemy, does its hit, jumps up again. If there are two, then one of them does the magic, then those guys jump up at the same time, land one by one. You understand? Always the magic first, and then the physical ones jump up at the same time. Yeah, but the thing is, do I want to implement it like this? Because my inspiration game does it like this, and I don't know why they are doing this. Is it because it looks better? I want your opinion, yes? Me neither. For me, it would be more pleasing and easier to implement that they are always charging at the same time. It doesn't matter if it's magical or physical. This guy makes that charging animation while the others jump up. And then the camera pans to the other team and the effects happen. Like the explosion from this guy, boom. And then one guy lands, boom. Then the other guy lands, boom. And then the round is over. I could also do it as in they all jump up at the same time and land on the same time, but that would maybe be too chaotic. I guess the charge up should be at the same time of the competitor, but the execution of the things should be one at a time. And then, of course, you still have the skip button anyway to make it faster. Oh man, do I want to cast them at the same time? But then I cannot do that because if the magical attack is such fancy thing that overlaps with other things, then it will be way too chaotic. I need to fire them one by one. There is no other way. Or I would need to go a compromised solution where the effects of the magic cannot be over the top. So we decide it is one after the other. Charge is all at the same time. Okay, let's say it is at the same time. We have attacks, but we also have things that happen for us. So the camera is not always at the enemy team. Let's say this guy makes explosion. This guy makes a wall in front of us. And this guy goes to a guard stance. Now, depending on how I do the order of execution, maybe there will be a hard set execution order where support things like casting a wall or guarding, they will be first and then the attacks. But that doesn't matter right now. These three do at the same time do this charge animation. This goes to a stance animation or something, I don't know. Then, if it's explosion, the camera would go... the camera would go here. We would see an explosion here. Then next, the camera would be here. We would see that the wall is being cast. And then the camera would be still here. And you would see that there's something like he's standing and doing some animation, whatever. I guess that's fine then. I mean, we also have like attacks where this guy casts a magic that absorbs life and then it comes back here. So we would switch from this camera to this camera. So having this actually, this complicated thing, makes no sense for us anymore. This was designed so it represents the same thing from the other game, but I don't want that. I should go and make it to be always at the same time. Doesn't matter if it's front or back. I need to refactor this. How do I refactor? Where are the things? We are setting them here. I guess this will die then too. At least these. Alright. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, speaking of piracy, everything that I'm coding right now is online to find. Anyone can look into my code right now. It would be like a hassle to go through all the hours, but it's there. If you're not a single person, then maybe it is manageable. I don't know. I wonder if AI in the future can look into my videos and then just re-implement everything. I wonder. I guess tomorrow I will start to refactor this to get rid of the front and back. And having that, I would need some code here to make the charging animation. The 24-hour stream is when Hugo gets all his family members watching me. Then I will do a 24-hour stream. Not Hugo, like with an H, not with a W. That was the guy where we wanted to play together. Didn't we play even together? I don't know. Did you? I guess you didn't join us. It's a human. Hugo. Yes. Man, this module, this battle system is so complicated. I want to implement, but I'm constantly designing stuff that is not in my view. But anyway, even though we didn't make that much progress since I was just thinking about how to implement these things. But I guess I have the solution how to go now, and then we will see how to do the ability itself somehow. I will take that motivational mantra and do something with it to you. No, 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 no. Don't come with even bad progress is progress, please. I want to finish this thing someday, not just pat on my shoulder and say, oh, I did work so hard. Anyway, das war's wert. Thanks for your support again. And anyone who watches this, I'm sorry that I don't like Pokemon, but it is the truth. And whatever I say in the future, don't trust me. He is lying. No, even Ditto. I don't like Ditto. Is his name Ditto in English as well? I think it is, right? No, no. Wait, if I'm always right, and the future monkey is also always right, who's the one who is telling the truth? Huh. I wonder. I guess you guys have to find out. Anyway, I'm logging off, guys. See you tomorrow, I guess. Bye-bye.